Namaskar and very good morning to all the children who have appeared for the class 10th board exam, that is the AISSC exam. I know most of you are upset regarding your last paper, the English paper, which didn't go down well with many of you, and there was a lot of confusion regarding the question paper. Though CBSE had tried its level best to maintain a balanced approach in the question paper, but as you know, sometimes it happens when you conduct an exam for the first time in a different method, things always do not fall in the same place. Regarding that, the last exam, the class 10 exam, where there is a bit of confusion regarding the comprehension section and a bit of confusion regarding the MCQs which are given, which were somewhat tricky. So the Central Board of Secondary Education has issued a circular. The circular names CBSE CE/2021. The date is 13th of December 2021. And in the circular, it's clearly written a clear message to all the students who have appeared for the AISSC exam, that is the board exam for class 10. There is a clear message given to all of you, and the message is something like that. I want to read it out for you. It's written there: a passage in one set of the English language and literature paper of CBSE class 10 first term examination held on 11th December 2021 is not in accordance with the guidelines of the board with regard to the setting of the question paper. In this backdrop, and on the basis of the feedback received from stakeholders, the matter was referred to a committee of subject experts. As per their recommendations, it has been decided to drop the passage number 1 and its accompanying question of the question paper series JSK/1. Full marks will be awarded for this passage to all students concerned. To continue, they said, to ensure uniformity and parity, full marks will also be awarded to students for passage number 1 for all sets of question paper class 10 English language and literature, written by Dr. Sanyam Bharadwaj, Controller of Examination, CBSE, New Delhi. So children, it's a good news for all of you. You don't have to worry. You can be free from mental anxiety, that CBSE will go through this process of moderation for English paper, and wherever they think that things are not according to the norms of question setting rules and all, they are going to do the moderation, and it's a clear message given that for this comprehension part, CBSE will award full marks to all the students for all the series of question paper. So you don't have to worry about that. CBSE is taking care that the moderation policy takes place, and where things are not as per, if you have certain kind of concern that certain things were not according to the syllabus or those are tricky questions, you don't have to worry. CBSE is going to look into the matter, and all those issues which are not according to the rule will be addressed by CBSE, and a policy of moderation will be adopted by them. So this is what the recent circular from CBSE is. Will keep you updated with all kind of updates and letters from CBSE which will be concerning you. So don't have to worry, student. Be free from anxiety and continue with your studies. Be in good health. Thank you very much. Thank you.